Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend, we are going to talk about how can we disable guys sunlight mode setting in our phone. Friends, you want to disable guys your sunlight mode setting in your phone, so friend, how can you disable? Today I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we disable sunlight mode setting guys. Today I will show you guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting scroll it, and friends you can see this tab of setting. Friends, click on get this display setting guys, tap on display setting guys, then guys scroll it. So friends you can see this tab of setting in your phone. So friends you will have to click on this brightness level guys. Friends, you can see your sunlight mode setting guys, you can disable from here. After disable guys, you can use your brightness setting, and friends you can use your phone without this sunlight mode setting guys. So like that guys, we can disable guys sunlight mode setting in our phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.